Hey! So I thought I would do a little unboxing video for you all today, and this box is like lockdown themed slash, I guess, kind of like staying at home a bit more themed. I know that lockdown isn't exactly still 100% on everywhere, although, you know, things could change. I think it's always good to have something like this on standby just in case, and it's nice to treat yourself in lockdown. Like, that is probably the best time to be able to give yourself some real self-care. So I have a box of goodies here from Social Little Thing. They very kindly sent me all these products, and a lot of them are from like smaller independent brands, and I always say this in these videos, but that's the main reason why I love doing these videos, is because I can get smaller businesses out there, even if it's to, you know, a few people. I think that's really helpful, especially in this climate where people's jobs are really uncertain and people's businesses are really, you know, up in the air. I think it's great to promote small businesses like that. So I'm always really happy to do these videos, basically. So let's just get into it, shall we? I'm gonna open the thing that is on top first, which is this. Whoa, we've got a lot of yellow things. That's a bad idea, let's not do that. That's just gonna cause mess, isn't it? Oh, everything's so yellow. Yellow is my favorite color, so that is a good sign. So this brand is called Like It on Top, and they are a vegan skincare protection brand. I already love the packaging because it's all yellow. So first of all, they've got this product, which is called Filth. This is a dirt cleansing protection oil. Yeah, oil. It says use Filth for dirt cleansing protection to remove build-up, folds and makeup. I have to say that I really love products that are like oily at the moment. My skin, I would say, is just quite normal. Like, it's not dry or oily in particular, but I just love using oils. I just think it feels so nice to let it soak into your skin, especially overnight. Oh, here's ombre. Hello. So you have to like shake them, I'm guessing, to get them going. They look so cool though. I love this packaging. I've never seen, like, yellow is just not used enough. Okay, this one is called Stroke. Oh, it's really cool. You have to shake this one to activate. Use Stroke for double cleansing protection to even skin tone and reduce hyperpigmentation. So I'm guessing this has got turmeric in it. Yeah, this has got turmeric in it. So turmeric's really good for pigmentation as well. Like if you've got scars or whatever, it's really good to sort all that out. And I love that these products are all super natural, very few ingredients, which I like, vegan, bonus. So this one is super cool. It's got like little flowers in it. Oh, it's rose water. So this is one's called Fortify. This is a toning protection to strengthen the skin's outer layer by resetting the pH balance. Oh, that's so cool. It just looks so like, you can just tell that that's a natural product, can't you? Love that. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like my nana's house. I feel like all nanas love rose, like the scent rose. Mine does. And finally, they've sent me a few of these ones. This one is Sustain. Use Sustain for oil cleansing protection to maintain skin's hydration, to support with acne, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone and plumping. Avocado oil, argan oil, almond oil, rosehip oil, rose petals, vitamin E and mandarin oil. I feel like this would also be great on nails and hair because it's got vitamin E and that's good for growth. So I'm really happy that I've got some more oils. I feel like these boxes always come just as I'm running out of something that I like my face oil. I've now got 3. Perfect. So thank you so much to Like It on Top for all of those amazing products. I can't wait to try them out. Again, a brand that I've not heard of before, but it looks great. So I'm really glad to be getting their name out there. So make sure to go check out their website. I will leave links to everything in the description box below, along with any discount codes that I have, etc, etc. So make sure to go and check that out. Okay, so the next thing I have, I'm actually so glad that I've got it, is a face mask, an eye mask for like sleeping and stuff. I have really gotten myself into the habit of sleeping with an eye mask and also earplugs at night. So now, like, if I don't wear them, I get waken up by everything. So I have to have like all of my senses closed off at night time, or else I can't sleep at the moment. But this eye mask feels super soft and silky. Even smells good, what the hell? How cute. I love the colours on that, it's so nice. And you can also get 20% off Smug actually with the code SUMMER20, and I think they do things like face masks for the virus and everything like that, so make sure to go and check them out. They look really, really cool. I've got some things from Elegant Touch and they've really sorted me out, to be honest. They sent me so many things. So starting off, they've sent me a bunch of the press-on nails that they do. First one is just the normal like French manicure design. Then they've got these really cool pink ones, a little bit sparkly action. I like the shape of these two, they're really cool. They've got these ones, which are just like a standard red. I love these so much. These are probably my favorite. I just love the color. These ones, which are like a lilac color, and lilac is my second favorite color after yellow. I love it at the moment. The thing I like about these press-on nails as well is that they're not super long. I like to keep my nails like pretty short-ish, like definitely manageable. I don't like anything where, you know, you can't type or you can't like do other things like wipe your bum, you know? You don't want a nail going, anyway. They still look like long and elegant and nice, but they're not like so long that you can't do anything with, like some fake nails that I've seen, so I think they look really cool. Can't wait to try those out. They've also sent me some nail files as well, always come in handy. And finally, a cuticle pusher and cleaner. This excites me more than it probably should because I find like doing my own cuticles really satisfying. So I'm really glad I got this now. That's gonna make my job a lot easier. So next up, I've got a few things from Eylure, and the first one I have is this lash tint. I was actually looking at my lashes the other day and I realised at the very ends of them are like a little bit blonde, but they're kind of transparent. So I've been very keen to see whether dyeing my eyelashes makes them that tiny little bit longer. I'm definitely going to have to give this a go and find out. I will report back. And then I've also got the dye brow kit. I do pencil in, or like I use like a pomade to fill in my eyebrows. So again, I've never dyed my brows before because I do have dark hair naturally, so obviously my eyebrows are dark, but I wonder if dyeing them will just make them a little bit more bold so I wouldn't have to pencil them in as much. Again, very intrigued, we'll have to give that a go. And then they've also sent me some individual lashes, and I'm actually a real big fan of individual lashes. They do take a little bit longer than normal lashes, but I feel like the look of them just looks so much nicer. It looks like you've got like extensions, I think. I'm really glad that they've sent me some of those, so thank you, Eylure. Next, I have this moisturising colour lip tint by Dr. Lipp. This is made with edible plant pigments, which is very interesting. It says it's got red radish pigment in it. It's 100% natural, which is really nice, and I'm always forever running out of lip products. I've actually just come to the end of one of my lip balms as well, so this has come in perfect time. Love that, thank you. And then finally, something I'm very excited about. I've got a lot of tanning products from By Vogue Williams. So the first product I have here is the face tanning mist in medium. Oh, that smells amazing. I love it when fake tan products don't smell like rusty spoons, basically. This doesn't smell like that so far. Obviously I'll have to put it on to do the real smell test, but so far it smells very nice. And then I also have the self tan lotion. So the lotion version, and that's in dark. Then I have the self tan foam, and I have to say foam is my favourite kind of fake tan, so this is probably the one that I'll be going for first. And then finally we have the self tan eraser, and this is apparently quick and easy to use, instantly removes tan, leaves skin hydrated and moisturised. If this removes tan, that is a game changer. I've not seen anything that actually removes fake tan before. And then they've also sent me with that the luxury exfoliating mitt, which is great before tanning, and then the actual tanning mitt as well. So that is everything. I kind of sped through that quite quickly actually, so sorry if this video was a bit short, but I hope you enjoyed it nevertheless. Comment below if you've tried any of these products yourself and let me know what you think of them. And like I said before, if you want to check anything out, any websites, etc. will all be in the description box, any links and any discount codes. So yeah, make sure to go and check that out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.